Did Roman do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Go!
Oh yeah.
Alright, I did this before I censor it, but it's uncensored before the censor.
You know Towers is wrong.
Yeah, I can. I'll show you my other drawing.
Kinnick had exactly 69%. Absolutely. Oh, never mind.
Who's playing it?
This is. Oh, actually, who is Dot?
You might still be able to.
Well, it's good. It's not.
We have the censored version for when it's ready to be seen. I'm a talented artist.
Same thing with Mario.
Let's say there was no
One of the commentaries is anything about it.
Yeah, I've been commentating about these.
We had an alien Winster by censoring and we got the
Did you see any of the shit we said they did?
And
I
yeah,
think fucking Luma was going crazy.
Calculator Homer Simpson. Cobra Tattoo.
Oh, go cat.
Oh, yeah, Cobra Kai. This strike hard. Semi-cards too.
Kinnick's working on taking back, but
No, but I'm gonna start doing that. You're gonna send me cards? Cool.
then you're gonna become the next person.
Kinnick follows
That's
the
it.
book. Oh shit. I mean, still, Caleb's practically a stock ahead.
Okay, with the up smash down tilt and the high air.
Okay, well, that was Caleb, not Kinnick, but that was up there.
Can we get some Roman stuff in here?
Yeah, get a Roman sketch.
Do a Roman
Look,
sketch!
this is what we do right there.
Come on, do a Roman sketch! You named Luigi!
169. Once again with the 69, Kinnick. Oh, and he's dead. This game looks like it's very Caleb-sided. There's losers. Yeah, this is winners, I think. You could go downstairs to see the bracket if you want to. Alright. Because of the lag or because of...
It's bulking, it's bulking.
It's bulking season? Alright, so it's like Jacob then. Jacob's been bulking since like 6th grade.
Gotta stay bulk. Gotta stay consistent.
Exactly,
The
it's
cut's gonna go
consistency.
crazy.
Let me get that.
The cut will go crazy. Yeah.
I've been cutting since... Okay, well I should word that differently.
Your wrist is gonna be like,
I've been on the cut since like 5th grade.
you scan your wrist, you're gonna be like this your chicken. Alright, how do I need to plug in the card. Down
Yeah,
there?
Caleb takes the
I'm not gonna
dog
be
win.
Over the here.
Too bad for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, cool. Whoa.
The baddie goddess takes the win.
So Kinnick's the winner now.
Yeah, that was the first one. It's
Oh,
best of 5.
three.
Best of 5. I don't know why he decided it's best of 5, like every single match instead of just grand finals, but
Should I just start
that's why we're
doodling?
here past midnight.
I'm gonna doodle like Squidward.
Huh? Yeah, somewhere.
I'm gonna draw a mighty fine Squidward. Because I draw a mighty fine
I
Squidward.
love Gig.
Skig word.
Stop battle! Whoa! Palutena!
I hate
Paying to leave us alone.
How much? I don't know. Worth it. You could have probably bargained the time.
I could have bargained.
1, go!
What do you think about my Squidward so far? Do I put a classification twist on it?
How were you dropping this?
Yeah. Squidward guy I found. Might be Mania, actually. Come here illegally, people. Illegal.
You're the only one born in Mexico.
No, I was born in Texas. I was born in Guadalajara. Bruce? You know Bruce? I forgot you guys are in this weird. We're just bouncing all the time.
Dude, honestly, like, dude, this is so. None of us are even commentating.
I'm just trying to think. What if you're editing this? You're going to be really mad at me. How do I do it? Oh, you're going to be so mad at me.
I have to edit most of this shit with Jack.
Yeah.
Give him an extra sound a little. No.
I should make it abnormally long. Does Squidward have nipples?
You never see him.
No, you never see him.
Look at the nipples. It's the classic Christian twist. Why do you look at that?
What the heck?
We'll give him an extra 10.
Veins in his eyes. You don't know.
Yeah, guys, commentate for a second. Kinnick!
Tying it up with number one. I actually do commentate when it's important stuff.
When is it classified as important?
Right now.
Look how long it is.
Alright, time to show the camera.
Pokemon Go?
This is not even close to Pokemon Go.
We got Squidward with the classic Christian twist. Didn't even need a reference photo for this, by the way. Off the dome.
Dude,
Off the dome.
Stop. I don't want to edit on myself. Don't want to edit on myself.
Wait, we never even showed the censored version of Mario. I just realized that.
We did now.
Can I turn out to, like, just take all the posters out? We're just not gonna be able to post this. I'm sorry, Kinnick. This is
You're gonna have to fucking black
You're right, I need to stop.
going on YouTube, bro.
I need to stop. You're also kind of dying to let it go back. We were saying something about me. And then we're always doing
Okay, well.
that is kind of bad.
I was born.
And my brother was a thing. And more weird on there.
I did some shit.
I remember you said you were gonna win, and you texted me quick, and you're like, this is not
Look at Joe. Since I actually got better. That.
Good job, Sensei.
no, Dad, you didn't see him when we were doing better.
No?
No, we didn't, we were doing good.
No, like. I got played other
Good job, Sensei.
I'm done with my arm.
Explosive flame.
Oh my gosh, how do I switch it back? Oh, right there. Dude, I didn't even notice that's what I put. I just put the freaking headset down. Should I put the headset? Are you supposed to commentate on this? I don't know how to commentate on this stuff.
I'm too tired to commentate.
I don't want to do that. These glasses are dude. How do I bring it? Do I just click on this stop stuff? And it all went black. Okay, no, it did not. I didn't do anything. Okay, I'm too scared to touch it now.
It's not you, it's just the fucking...
What am I doing? What am I doing wrong?
You're gonna laugh at that part. You're definitely laugh at that part. There's a random black button now.
Hit my lupus.
What the fuck? Why is it doubled? Why is it at the bottom?
What? Oh shoot, why is it doubled?
Well, I don't think it's
Are we supposed to do something about that? How we do that?
Down, I think.
I don't think you can.
No. No, it's just the fucking thing.
Downstairs?
Someone must have fucked it.
Someone must have... Roman, watch your potty mouth, man. Family friendly only. Family friendly content.
Okay, this is not Nicky 30.
It is. You were family friendly.
Fuck you.
What did I do? All I said was watch your...
that? Why did you do that?
Roman, stop tickling little boys.
I'm not little. You're
Oh,
good.
Fuck you, nigga. Quit saying that.
Okay.
Ain't no party like a dick party.
Is it the,
Apparently this mic doesn't pick up much, so...
It
What-
does.
are
You
those
can
the-
literally see the fucking thing, like,
Oh crap, dude. You're right, it does pick up much.
it was the beginning.
I
when
mean, you can
fucking-
mute it.
Apparently someone muted it.
You can mute it.
Why? No.
Wait, we're supposed to be comment. Who died?
I don't even know.
Oh, who won?
Fuck.
Lucas is retarded ass.
You have pressure points.
Bro, just fucking go. Just leave.
Okay, bye guys.
Shh, I'm about to leave too, dude. What the hell? Who died?
I don't fucking know.
Right. Wait. I think I don't know. If someone like if they do this next one, whoever dies, and then like they stop playing, that means they lost, they won the last match, right?
Yeah.
So we can just use predictions. By who wins.
Wait, it's 2-2 then.
Yeah, okay.
It would be 2-2 then. No, it's 2-2 because this is 5. This is the 5th game.
Are you being for real?
Yeah.
How do I change it? Do I press this? Do I press this
you
one or
gotta
this
pick
one?
one name.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Double click. Oh wait.
I changed it to 2.
What the hell?
2 name. Change this to 2. We'll see who wins. What do I do when someone wins? Okay, got it. I got some in my eye.
Caleb won. Caleb won.
Is it 2-2 then?
It's 2-2. It's the 5th game.
Is it 2-2?
I just heard that Caleb won the last one.
Oh.
The stream's fucked, by the way.
everything went to shit when I started commentating.
It's 2-1. You can do it 1-1
Now I
before.
have to edit a fuck ton of shit out because you guys decided to fucking.
Yeah, mess around too much.
It's 2-1.
It's 2-1.
Yeah, Kinnick's at 1.
Oh, it's 2-1.
2-1.
Alright, so
Yeah.
Kinnick.
It's
Kinnick
Kinnick.
won.
Is Kinnick name
Yeah,
one?
it's
Yeah.
one.
Okay. You're doing mighty fine. Dude, are we even gonna commentate?
Nah.
So should I mute the mic? It's right there.
I guess we gotta have like some fucking noise in the back.
I
I don't know. But also this shit's fucked.
Do we just say who dies? Do I just go, Kinnick died?
Well, Kinnick's most likely gonna have to go against Vicente then if he loses this.
Vicente.
Well,
What
Vicente,
you
do you
doing,
know how
man?
the fuck to fix this?
What is Civil War?
Fix what?
What?
Do you not see the whole
Okay.
screen?
Yeah, look
Move.
at the
The
bottom.
timer's at the bottom.
Move your thing.
Christian, move!
I'm doing it. I'm going.
They just die. Again, hopefully.
Imagine this doesn't work at all. Oh. What's Civil War? What's that? Titled Civil War. I'm not gonna press it, but like. Who is that killer? Wait, who's going against?
Okay, so Kinnick.
Wait,
Returning
oh,
to
it's,
base.
you know? I'm gonna expose you to the camera. No, I'm joking.
So, alright now.
I'm not. I'm holding the mouse because I think it's about to fall off the table if I let go. Oh wait, no, it's fine.
Start battle!
Dude. No, I don't like it.
Conquer! Three, two, one, go!
was charging it back it off. So some seats. No, not no more.
The one in the commentary. Not even finding it. I'm literally. I mean, my son really chose I went too deep. I really put it in.
Hello?
Wait, playing that game over?
Yeah. So now it's gonna be Shad0w against